Now that we have our own workspace created, we can go ahead and start to modify the template code and start making something of our own. So firstly, let's close some of these unnecessary tabs, and then click on the main content area and press Ctrl-A on Windows or Command-A on Mac. That highlights all of our code, and then press backspace to delete it. Now let's start typing our HTML tag, and notice how when I start typing and just press enter, then Cloud9 will auto-complete it for me. Now we'll create a head element, and in our head element we're going to create a title, and the title will simply say Hello World. Outside of our head element, let's create a body, and all we want to do inside of our body is output the words Hello World. So to do that, we'll create a heading element, a H1, and between the H1 tags we'll type Hello World. And notice how in the live preview every letter that we type has been rendered. Let's now try creating a paragraph. So create some p tags, and we'll say this project was written in Cloud9. And notice again, we're getting real-time feedback from our preview window on what our page is going to look like. If we wanted to view this code in a full browser tab instead of this little live preview window, then on the Mac, press Command-S, or on Windows, press Control-S to save, and then up next to the preview button, we have a Run button. This gives us a URL that we can click on and visit to view our page. So let's click on the URL down at the bottom here, and then choose Open from the context menu. Now we're given some simple security information that tells us we should only run our code here to test. It's not suitable for fully deployed projects. So click on Open the app, and there we'll see that our code is now running in a full browser window in its own URL. So this is quite trivial at the moment, but in the next unit we're going to have a look at how to expand on this by creating a navbar and extra pages.